Hi, this is Linda Gaylord with lindagaylord.com, and I'm here today to talk about a modality that I think would really help animal hoarders. It's called EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, or Meridian Tapping. EFT was developed by Gary Craig, and he's a Stanford-trained engineer who became interested in the mind-body connection and developed this technique, which is based on the energy meridian system, and it's the basis of acupressure or acupuncture. But his technique is a little unique, as you'll see. So we're going to demonstrate it. This is my son Brandon. He's going to be acting as the animal hoarder, and we're going to demonstrate how this works. Okay, so tell me now how you feel about even the thought of giving up some of your animals.
I couldn't do that. It makes me feel very anxious and scared and unsure.
Okay. Are you ready to try this little technique with me?
Yes.
Okay, then just follow my lead. We're going to start right here. Even though I'm anxious and scared
Even though I'm anxious and scared
about even the thought of giving up my animals,
about even the thought of giving up my animals,
I totally accept myself and all these feelings.
I totally accept myself and all these feelings.
Even though I'm scared,
Even though I'm scared,
I accept these feelings.
I accept these feelings.
Even though I'm terrified of the thought
Even though I'm terrified of the thought
of giving up any of my animals,
of giving up any of my animals,
I totally and completely accept myself and all these feelings.
I totally and completely accept myself and all of these feelings.
Okay, then follow my lead. This is way too scary.
This is way too scary.
I could never give up my animals.
I could never give up my animals.
They love me.
They love me.
They protect me.
They protect me.
I need them all.
I need them all.
The more the better,
The more the better.
because nothing bad can get in.
Because nothing bad can get in.
They protect me,
They protect me.
and they love me,
And they love me.
no matter what.
No matter what.
People don't do that,
People don't do that.
but my animals do.
But my animals do.
I'll never give them up.
I'll never give them up.
Never, ever, ever.
Never, ever, ever.
Let it out. Never, ever, ever.
Never, ever, ever.
They're staying with me.
They're staying with me.
Take a breath. Take another deep breath. Okay, how's your tension level?
It's down.
Okay. Okay, we're going to do some more. I can't even think
I can't even think
about giving up a single one of my animals.
about giving up a single one of my animals.
I'm afraid.
I'm afraid.
I'm really afraid.
I'm really afraid.
I'm afraid to face the world without them.
I'm afraid to face the world without them.
I love them,
I love them.
and they love me.
And they love me.
They're the only ones that love me.
They're the only ones that love me.
Nobody else loves me
Nobody else loves me.
because I'm not worthy of love.
Because I'm not worthy of love.
I'm love them.
I love them.
I'll never let them go.
I'll never let them go.
Not a single one.
Not a single one.
Not ever.
Not ever.
Not ever.
Not ever.
I'm keeping them.
I'm keeping them.
I'm totally keeping them.
I'm totally keeping them.
A deep breath. Okay, now we're going to do a couple of slightly different rounds. You still willing to participate?
Yes.
Okay. How's your fear and anxiety level?
It's going down.
It's going down?
Yes.
Okay. Tap with me again. Well, maybe I could let a few go.
Well, maybe I could let a few go.
Oh, that still scares me.
Well, it still scares me.
But what if I let 2 or 3,
But what if I let 2 or 3?
only 2 or 3,
Only 2 or 3.
go to a good home?
Go to a good home.
Somebody who could provide them better care than I can.
Somebody who could provide them better care than I can.
Because I know I have too many.
Because I know I have too many.
I know I have too many.
I know I have too many.
What if I let 10 of them go
What if I were to let 10 of them go
to good loving homes?
to good loving homes?
I'd still have 43.
I'd still have 43.
And what if that's too much?
And what if that's too much?
43 is a lot.
43 is a lot.
I know 43 is a lot.
I know 43 is a lot.
But I feel like they're protecting me.
But I feel like they're protected.
And I don't know what from.
I don't know what from.
But I'm open to the possibility
But I'm open to the possibility
of letting 10 of them go
of letting 10 of them go
to good homes.
to good homes.
And I'm open to the possibility
And I'm open to the possibility
that I can let more than 10 go.
that I can let more than 10 go.
Even though right now that scares me
Even though right now that scares me
a little bit.
a little bit.
But I'm open to the possibility.
But I'm open to the possibility.
Okay, 2 more deep breaths. Okay. Is your anxiety up or down? Because it could have gone either way.
It's come down.
It's down? Okay, good. Well, now I'm going to turn you over to your wonderful therapist, Dr. John, and he's going to do the work that I can't. I'm only a complimentary practitioner, but thank you for being willing to work with me,
Thank you.
and good luck on your journey.
Thank you.
And it's Linda Gaylord from lindagaylord.com, and thank you for watching.